And our bite of the week comes from a motorist who recently visited Wholehearted Car Services Company in Ferry, Penn, St. Catherine. The man, who was frustrated by the long wait time due to the large number of people awaiting service, warned local mechanics about the competition. Here's our bite of the week.
When I come and hear say the amount of people we select, I have to wait 1 month to get my thing deal with, boy. The 1 month kind of throw me off. I wish the Chinese them could have bring in some more on. Car dealer, car parts place, a mechanic, Saglop, new guest in town.